Hi, this is Mark, G0MGX in the People's Republic of Belper. I wanted to show you this TS-990 in RTTY mode. It's the 24th of August and the SCC RTTY contest is on. The band is very busy, currently on 20 meters. When I run in RTTY contests, I run right log, so hopefully you can see that this window on the left, the bigger one, decoding one here, is running TTY. I'm also running two-tone on the right here, so I have two windows decoding the RTTY using different decoders, and sometimes this one will get the call sign that this one doesn't, and vice versa. The way I've got the radio set up, the audio is going directly to the sound card system into the right log setup, but the radio is running in FSK mode for transmit through my digibox, which does the switching from a COM port to the back of the radio. I've also got the linear in at the moment, so I'm running full UK legal power in RTTY to my MI5B antenna. But what I wanted to show you really was the way that the filters work in this radio. Now I've got this set up now. If I press this button and hold it here, there are three banks of filters available in this radio, and I've got it set up such that A is the widest and C is the tightest. So filter A has got me a 2.7K width roofing filter, B is at 500 Hz and C is at 750 Hz. I've also set it up such that the bandwidths change. So in the center here, where you can see the main tuning indicator for RTTY, up in the top here we've got the word width, and that currently says 1500. Now there's quite a lot of signals around this part of the band, and if you look at the audio scope there, you can see there's signals to my left and to my right, and hopefully the station I was watching is still pretty much in the center. So what I really wanted to demonstrate was the fact that I can narrow in the roofing filters here. So we're now at a 500 Hz width, and now we're down to a 250 Hz width on that. So that signal that was not decodable before in the center has suddenly become decodable now. So I'll put it back to the widest setting, and hopefully you can see that the receiver is being quite swamped at this point. But as you get tighter in on it with these filters and the roofing filter, you can pull signals out that really are almost non-decodable to other sets. Now this has really got me quite impressed, the way that these roofing filters are working on this radio. The other thing that this radio got is the audio peak filter, which effectively puts a notch in between the mark and the space frequency. So you've got 2125 and 2295 Hz audio tones, and if you look at the TTY decoder, you can see there's a notch in the middle of there. Now I'll take it out again and I'll put it back in again. So that's the twin peak filter. So let's just try and find a signal. I'll put all the filters in, maximum kind of bananas then now. So this is CQ, SM0BSO is calling CQ, so I'm just going to work this guy now. So I'm calling him now, and the radio goes quiet, effectively the screens go quiet in transmit mode. So he's calling me back now, he's sending me my call sign twice, to you, thank you, 599, 2000 was his first year of licensing. So I'm going to go back to him with his call sign. I'm going to say QSL 599 1984, which was my first year of licensing. And he will now come back to me, G0MGX to you. So that means that QSO is now complete. Simple, but this radio in receive is really very, very, very impressive. G0MGX in Central England. Bye.